I think digital learning has enabled me to become more time efficient. I used to spend a lot of time on the transportation to campus, and now I can save more time, like having a nice breakfast or not rushing myself too much during the day. I can also save a quite decent budget from it. I think for my major, most of the materials are quite easy to access. For compulsory readings and slides, our teachers always prepare the link for us on Moodle. So I guess the overall flexibility of the process has surprised me the most in a good way. As I mentioned, you can be more time efficient and also make better use of your time. So I guess Moodle, Zoom, and Skype, I guess everyone is familiar with them. I will also recommend Loom. It is a very useful software to record both you and your screen. So if you have any online presentation assessment, feel free to use it. Firstly, all of my teachers, they have been very emotionally supportive during this unexpected situation. They wrote email or post online announcements to remind every student to be safe and offer special consideration to those who are struggling currently. And I really appreciate that. And during the class, you'll feel free to ask questions whenever you are confused by simply clicking the raise hand button, and then they will give your feedback immediately. And I think I really like this design because in reality, whenever I have a question, I often hesitate a lot whether I should ask or not. But online makes me feel more burden-free. So for me, I still prefer to use WeChat most of the time, chatting with my Chinese friends. But if I need to connect with my friends or teammates here, I will recommend to use WhatsApp or Messenger. So I guess get yourself always motivated and be organized and be creative. Don't be too stressed out, as it is quite important to stay mental health during this moment. So from a technical aspect, I would suggest to maintain a good Wi-Fi connection and also prepare an earphone. But from a mental aspect, having a sense of ceremonial is quite necessary as well. By this, I mean you can decorate a specific room or space as your own learning studio. This is really helpful to get yourself motivated and keep everything on the right track. And also prepare some snack or coffee wouldn't harm as well. And also I would like to add something in Chinese. 我希望大家都可以有一段非常愉快的网上学习经历。UNSW 的学子绝不认输。